Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you most attractive and beautiful designs of crochet phone cases. These are crossbody phone cases designing ideas. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. Patchwork patterns are also included and you will see some other simple designs as well, which are made using one row or two row repeat patterns, which are super attractive and super easy to make as well. You can see this beautiful design which is made with a single crochet stitch repeat pattern, and a pocket is made with a square pattern on it, which is also looking very lovely. You can see this beautiful design as well. You can see most of these designs are having 3 to 4 contrasting color schemes used in them, so you can easily make them just with the help of leftover yarn of different crochet projects as well. So this is a perfect idea for leftover yarn project as well. You can see all of these designs are having different types of crochet patterns in them. You can see different textured patterns in some of the designs as well. This one is really attractive. Tassel lace is attached on a simple crochet phone cover, and all other designs are having their own uniqueness as well. So just watch this video till the end to get all ideas, because all of these ideas are super unique and attractive and are different from each other as well. So you can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home easily, because almost all of these designs are for absolute beginners and super beginner friendly patterns are included in this video, and I hope you're gonna love them all as well. Just take a screenshot and make them by yourself at home, or you can take help from the tutorial videos of different square patterns available on my channel as well, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I do upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel as well. I have crochet tutorial videos of different square patterns which can be joined using different techniques. Make 4 square patterns and join them together with the help of different techniques, like you can use single crochet stitch method, slip stitch method can be used, or you can use join as you go method as well, and make 4 pieces, join 2 pieces together, and then join these 2 pieces together with the help of single crochet stitch and make a strap, and your pouch is ready to go. In this way you can make beautiful and attractive phone cases pouch. You can attach pocket like this one to have your earbuds as well. So it is a complete package, very attractive and gorgeous designs. Give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.